Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast Corner. I'm Merrie, and with me, as always, the one who's never on time but always brings the jokes, Elon.
That's true. I may be late, but I bring good energy, right? Hello, everyone. Great to have you with us again.
Today's episode is going to be so much fun. We're talking about something everyone can relate to, jobs.
Exactly. We'll talk about what we do, what kind of jobs people have, and some funnier, strange things that happen at work.
And, as always, we have a free PDF for you in the description below. It includes key vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences from this episode.
So if you want to study after listening, just click the link and download it. Totally free.
Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy learning English with us.
Yes, your support helps us keep making these fun conversations.
All right, Elon, let's dive in. Tell me about your job.
My job? Oh no, here we go.
Come on, Elon. People want to know what you do.
Okay. So I work as a graphic designer. I design logos, posters, social media posts, all that creative stuff.
Oh, fancy. So you're the guy who makes things look beautiful.
I try my best, but sometimes clients say, "Can you make it pop more?" And I'm like, what does that even mean? Laughs.
Oh, I totally get that. Designers hear the strangest feedback.
Yeah. One time a client told me, "Make the blue more happy." I mean, what? How can a color be happy?
Maybe they wanted sky blue, the color of a sunny day.
Yeah, maybe. I ended up changing it like 5 times, and in the end, they said, "Perfect, that's exactly what I wanted." And guess what? It looked the same as the first version.
Oh my goodness, that's classic. Every creative person has that story.
So true. Anyway, what about you, Mary? What's your job?
Well, I'm a teacher and content creator. I teach English online and create videos and podcasts like this to help people learn English in a fun way.
Ah, yes, our English queen.
I'll take that. But really, I love helping learners feel confident when they speak.
That's awesome, and you're really good at it. You make English sound easy and fun.
Thank you. But teaching isn't always easy. Sometimes students are shy or afraid to make mistakes.
Yeah, I've noticed that. But you always encourage them, right?
Exactly. I always say, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning.
I like that. So, listeners, if you're learning English, repeat after us. It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Perfect. Good job.
You know, Mary, it's interesting how jobs show our personality. For example, you're super patient, perfect for a teacher.
Aw, that means a lot.
Thank you. And you're creative and funny, perfect for a designer.
Funny, yes, but sometimes too funny. My coworkers say I joke too much.
That's better than being boring.
True. But I think everyone has a dream job.
Oh, yes. What's yours?
Maybe being a travel vlogger. I'd travel around the world, make videos, and eat delicious food.
That sounds amazing. You'd be great at that.
What about you? What's your dream job?
Mine? Maybe hosting my own TV show about learning English through culture and travel.
Wow, Merrie Around the World, coming soon to Netflix.
I totally watched that.
Okay, but let's be real. Every job has some stress, right?
Oh, yes. Even fun jobs can be stressful.
Like when deadlines come fast or when clients change their minds last minute.
Exactly. Or when I record a video for 2 hours and then realize my mic wasn't on.
No, that's painful.
It happened twice.
You're joking.
I wish I was.
See, everyone, we all have those moments. Even teachers make mistakes.
All right, friends, let's take a quick learning break.
Yes, let's go over some useful English phrases you can use when talking about jobs.
Phrase 1, I work as a, for example, I work as a teacher.
Or I work as a designer. Easy, right?
Phrase 2, I'm responsible for. It means what your duties are.
Like I'm responsible for creating designs for my clients.
Perfect. Phrase 3, I deal with, for example, I deal with customers every day.
Or I deal with deadlines and revisions.
Phrase 4, I love my job because, a great way to express your feelings.
Like I love my job because it's creative and fun.
And the last one, sometimes my job can be, for example, sometimes my job can be stressful, but I enjoy it.
Excellent. Try making your own sentences with these phrases.
Yes, you can also find them all in our free PDF, link in the description.
Okay, let's share something funny from work. I know you have one, Merrie.
Oh, yes. One time during an online class, my cat jumped onto my keyboard and typed KKKKK for 30 seconds straight.
Oh my God. What did the student do?
He just laughed and said, Teacher, your cat is learning English too.
That's adorable. I had a funny one too. Once my boss joined a video meeting with a virtual beach background, and his head disappeared every time he moved.
Oh no.
We couldn't stop laughing. The meeting took twice as long.
Let's talk about something deeper. Elon, what do you think makes a good job?
Good question. I think a good job is when you feel happy and proud of what you do.
I agree. It's not just about money, it's about purpose.
Yes! If your job helps people, teaches something, or creates something useful, that's amazing.
Exactly. And having kind coworkers helps too.
True. A friendly team makes work feel like fun.
So true. And listeners, think about your own job or dream job. What do you love about it?
Now it's your turn. Let's practice speaking together. Repeat after us. I work as a.
I'm responsible for.
I love my job because.
Sometimes my job can be.
Good job.
You're doing amazing. Keep practicing these sentences daily to improve your fluency.
All right, friends. That's all for today's episode. But before we go, we want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what's your job? Or if you're a student, what's your dream job?
We'll read some of your answers in our next episode.
And don't forget, download the free PDF below to review today's vocabulary and practice sentences.
Also, please hit like, share, and subscribe to support our podcast.
And join our English Podcast Corner for more fun learning.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.